This video is over topic 35, number 6 and 7, looking at whole mortgage calculations. So we had done the mortgage amortization, looking at a mortgage month by month. Now we're looking at overall what's happening with a mortgage. So again, using these loan calculations. So a family plans to buy a home for $224,900. They're getting a 30-year mortgage, 5.5% rate with a 20% down payment. So here we have to calculate the down payment. So it's 20% of the 224,900. If you get a house with a lower down payment, it's just going to potentially give you a higher interest rate or other extra insurance and things you have to get. But they're picky about where that down payment comes from. You can't just go borrow it. So this family has to have almost $45,000 just hanging around in a bank account, free and clear, that they can pay towards this home. The amount of the mortgage is whatever's left after the down payment. So the 224,900 minus the 44,980 is what they will have to actually get the mortgage for. So that's 179,900. For the monthly payment, that's going to be in Excel. It is going to be the equals PMT. We're going to put in the interest rate, 5.5%. It's monthly payments. So divided by 12, comma, it's going to be 12 times 30 or 30 times 12 or 360, comma, and then it's going to be the 179,920. No comma in there. You can put a negative in front of it if you want. You don't have to. So equals PMT parentheses 5.5% divided by 12, comma, 12 times 30, comma, 179,920. And their monthly payment is $1,021.57. So how much will they actually pay for their $224,900 home? They have paid already the $44,980 down payment. And now they're also going to pay $1,021.57 per month for 30 years. 12 payments per year for 30 years to pay back their mortgage. So 1,021.57 times 12 times 30, they're paying $367,765.20 just to pay back that $179,920 mortgage. Plus, they already paid the $44,980 down, so they're paying a total of $412,745.20. For their $224,000 home. Number 7, Gina is taking out a mortgage for $130,000 to buy a house. She has two possible lenders. The bank, 30-year mortgage, annual interest rate of 4%. Online lending company, 20-year mortgage at 3.6%. So let's look at the monthly payment for each of these. So we have PMT 4% divided by 12, 12 times 30 with the 130,000. Or the other one is 3.6% divided by 12, 12 times 20, and 130,000. We see a slightly higher payment for the 20 years. You're paying off the loan in a quicker amount of time, or you're going to have to pay a little bit more per payment. So I skipped ahead. So that's 60, 64. So it's 6% divided by 12, 12 times 20, 130,000. All right. Well, again, I'm gonna have Excel do the work for me here. Oh, yeah, it's not. So this 62064, it's rounded, but it's still keeping more digits, right? So if I multiply with that result, I multiply it by a pretty large amount, it's going to get off a little bit. So I can get around that. This is what you'll be doing in the project. I put around here at the beginning, R-O-U-N-D, parentheses, and at the end, I put a comma 2. So it's going to show the same number, but now it's actually rounded it off. Parentheses at the end, comma 2. And so now if I go on these and say show me more decimal places, they're all zeros because it's actually rounded. So I'm going to go now take this 12 times 30 and take this times 12 times 20. So you see for the bank, for that 30-year mortgage, she's paying $223 for 30, 40, a little less per month. For the online lender, a little bit more per month, but she's only ending up paying a total of $182,553.60. Now, just to show you, the difference is mostly from the 20 versus 30 years. So if I go and make this one be also 4%, it's a little higher, but still much lower than the 30-year. Right? So the lower total to pay off is the online lender. And by how much? I'll subtract those. So this is going to be this minus this 40,000 76.80. So that's your mortgage calculations.